There he is, the official birthday boy.
No, no, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. Now we've all said
Because it's Andrew's special day, we are splurging on this super special craft soju. Look at this. Soul Night Plum Soju. 23% alcohol, a lot higher than the usual. Wow, it looks so fancy, huh? Just pour half the shot so I can get a little taste. This is higher than the usual. Ooh, okay, that's perfect. No, that's perfect. Happy birthday, baby.
I'm sorry that I blamed you for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you.
We demolished that bottle of soju. Andrew over here was just taking full-on shots. I was trying to, he's already sobered up because he has really high tolerance, but I was trying to take sips of that craft soju because it was so precious. The food at the restaurant was so good. It was like refined home-style Korean meals. Nothing that we've never had before because they were all quite traditional, but it was very well made. You could just tell that there was a lot of thought put into the cooking process to make sure that every ingredient stood out, and it was just a very well-rounded meal. Now we're gonna go get dessert, and you would think that on someone's birthday they would want something nice, like maybe a cheesecake or a creme brulee, but what did Andrew want instead for dessert? What do you want?
Kiki Monarchix was closed.
Okay, but what do you want?
Mickey D's.
Mickey D's what?
McFlurry.
McFlurry. So we're gonna go get a McFlurry
right
now.
She filled it up. That's how I like it. Sometimes they chip me.
It is a rainy Saturday morning. We're heading to run some errands right now, but after that we're gonna head over to Brooklyn because I've been wanting to go to Crown Heights to try some restaurants there. I've never actually been in that neighborhood. We want to go and explore even though it's raining, and I don't like the rain, but I also don't want to waste my Saturday because it's been kind of a rough week for me. So I just really want to take advantage of the weekend and really make the most out of it and have a good time. We're gonna walk to Union Square right now to check out a couch, and then I'm gonna pick up my free birthday gift from Sephora. butterscotch bonnet, just a tiny bit. What? Good morning. It is Sunday. I've been editing for the most part, but I'm also dog sitting Chester, one of my regular doggy clients, for a whole week. So I took him and my dog out this morning to a coffee shop to get a nice latte, and we just sat out for a bit because yesterday was raining all day. It was actually quite a gross day, so I'm proud of myself for even going out. Today it's a beautiful, bright, sunny day. So I have been meal prepping as well. I'm trying to do that. And I just wanted to sit down and talk a little bit about my week. It was actually supposed to be a joyous week because I turned 30. Yeah, 30. I can't believe it. Can't believe that I have entered another decade in my life. But the craziest thing happened on my birthday, and my company actually laid off more than 2,000 people. It came as quite a shock, but also not that big of a shock because I know a lot of tech companies have been doing it, and my company, I would say, belongs more in the tech sector than anything, even though it's not fully tech. It's more like an internet website, is as much as I can say. But we were going through a hiring freeze as of a couple months ago, and all of a sudden, it was on my birthday, I was at work, and we suddenly get an email that within the next hour we're going to get an email letting us know whether we've been laid off or not. This drove me and my coworkers all into like a huge panic. Everyone on my floor just got together and we're just kind of sharing our feelings, trying to process what was going on, and really just waiting for our emails. I actually did not get laid off, but a few people that I know, especially one person that actually impacted me quite a bit during my time at this company, he got laid off. He was a sales director. He has been at my company for 13 years, and it was really, really, really tough. Everyone was crying. Everyone was hugging each other, saying our goodbyes, feeling guilt, which is a big emotion that I'm processing right now for being able to stay. Thankfully, my direct team that I work with, none of them got cut, so we're all still together, and I'm really grateful for that because we're all really supportive and close with one another. But my heart just breaks for everyone who got cut. Especially because a lot of them really liked this company, and I actually love the company that I work for. As someone who actually has a lot of resentment for the corporate world, this is the one corporate company that I would want to ever work for. So it would be really hard if I had to process getting laid off, especially if I had like kids and a family to take care of. Within an hour, your career just ended. So it's really been a somber week, somber couple of days since that news broke out. And it feels really heavy at work right now. It feels quiet, even though most of us are either hybrid remote or remote, but it just feels quiet. It feels like something heavy. It feels like something really drastic just happened, and it did, but it just feels dark, and it's got me feeling really down this week. So tomorrow's Monday, and hopefully it'll be a better day. I've been already feeling better just with it being the weekend and stuff. Spring is here, so I think that me and Andrew are gonna go out for a walk later, and we have a dinner reservation for today at 7:30. It was actually supposed to be a dinner reservation on my actual birthday, but the whole layoff thing happened that day, so it was a little tough to celebrate anything. Sunday's not fully over yet, so we are going to enjoy this day to the fullest. This Japanese restaurant here is what we had originally reserved for my birthday, but here we are finally, and the menu looks really cool. It's kind of like Kappa style. This restaurant was actually in the West Village before the pandemic, but it unfortunately shut down during the pandemic, and now they reopened it. So they kind of revamped the menu supposedly, but kept a lot of oldies as well, such as the nabe, which is Japanese hot pot, and I'm so excited for that. We're both really hungry. We just ordered 2 desserts, which we never do at a restaurant, but they all look so good. They have this dessert platter here. It's $27. It includes all the desserts.